Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm just going to take you around my fruit trees and just show you what I got out here. So this year I planted this. This is a Bartlett pear. It has some pears on it. It's really small. We just got it from the nursery this year. We have some yellow crooknecks growing down here. I think you can see them. There's some down there. We planted a red maple tree. That's a catalpa tree that's, I don't know, something's wrong with it. This is our Asian pear tree. This tree is awesome whenever we get fruit. There's the little Asian pears on there. They're like a cross between an apple and a pear. They make some incredible pies. So we'll be making some jam with this as well. But we've had this tree in here, shoot, I'm thinking 8 years maybe, and we have made some incredible pies out of that Asian pear. We got a big maple here. Let's go outside the fence area. I'll show you our other trees. This tree here, this is called a fruit salad tree. Out here, I mean, we have sandstone. The dirt in the ground is just horrible, but these trees are actually hanging on. They've been in here for about 4 years maybe. So this fruit salad, this has apricots. Look at those. Those are just about done. Now we were at my son's last weekend for Father's Day, and they have apricot trees down near Cottonwood, Arizona, that were ripe. We picked 2-3 pounds of them. Brought them back, we ate some. They were starting to get overripe, so I separated them. Some of them were like mushy ripe. We're making jam out of those and dehydrating the other ones, and I'll show you how I do it here. Anyway, this fruit salad tree, apricots. These are plums. We didn't get too many. It was loaded with plums this year. And then we had a really super windy day. I know, it's surprising, but we had wind. And it blew most of the little plums that were there off. We've got a branch down here that's hanging on. These are nectarines. There's only a couple on it. And this poor little branch right here is a peach branch. And we do actually have a couple of peaches this year, so that's kind of cool. I don't know if they'll make it to being ripe or not, but that is our fruit salad tree. This tree right here is a Rainier cherry tree that was nice, big, and beautiful when we brought it home. We planted it. It wasn't real happy with where it was at the last 3 years. It's taken root. It's doing really well. It's already grown, as you can probably see this year, from about here on up to here. So what is that, about 9 inches maybe? It's hopefully one of these years we'll get some Rainier cherries out of it, but so far we haven't had any fruit off of that one. I thought we were gonna lose it, but it hung on. And this is a multiple pear tree. This has suckle pear, Bosch pear, red Bartlett, and Bartlett. This branch here, the red Bartlett, it died, so we're not going to get the red Bartletts, I don't believe, unless that's this one right here. I don't know, maybe, but it's got fruit on it. Then we had a multiple apple tree that we picked up, had 3 or 4 different apples on it, and it did not come back this year. It died. We got a few apples off of it last year, and this year it sprouted an apple tree. So I don't know, we're just gonna let it go and see what it produces, if it produces. So that's our fruit orchard here at Man Kitchen Recipes. We've had little pears off of the mixed pear. The Asian pears, oh, those are just awesome. No cherries, and then the fruit salad. The apricots, every year we've had apricots off of it. So we eat them, we dehydrate them, and we make jam out of them. So pretty cool, huh? It's a fruit salad tree. All right. Now let's go inside. I'm going to show you how I make the apricot jam. It's real quick and easy. Show you the dehydrated apricots that I got going, and then we'll kind of end this video. But that's my fruit trees. That's my trees in the backyard. In the wintertime, obviously, all these trees have no leaves. It's just a bunch of sticks. Okay, so here's our ripe apricots. There's 1 pound of ripe apricots. Took the seeds out, obviously. 1 cup of sugar per pound of apricots for apricot jam. I got them 15 minutes there. This is about another 15 minutes. And you can leave it chunky if you want. I prefer putting it in a blender and smoothing it out a little bit. So we just put it in a processor mode and process a little bit. And once that's done, I'm going to pour it back into my pan. I'm going to let it simmer for about 15 more minutes. And here it is. You can see the thickness of it now. You can see as it starts pulling away on the bottom of the pan. It's getting there. And at about this stage, this is about 15 minutes after I puree it, I'm going to put a teaspoon of lemon. You can put a tablespoon. I like a teaspoon. I'm going to go another 15 minutes. And then after you get done 15 more minutes, you can see that it's really thickening up. And hey, you know, this is Man Kitchen Recipes. I like things easy. That's why we blended it. You can just let it simmer the whole time. Okay, so I'm going to get this in a jar. I got just under half a pint. Now let me show you our dehydrator. So here is our dehydrator with our apricots. They look like they're just about done. Set that down for a second. Yep, they're feeling like they're just about there. I'll give them a little bit more. Some dried apricots. Don't want to let them go to waste, right? Okay, so thanks for taking the little tour of my backyard. Those stairs actually go up to a patio up on top of our traditional style or territorial style home. We don't use it too often, but it is up. Okay, I did want to mention one thing is, I don't know what's up with YouTube, but they got me on some kind of a spam filter. All you guys that I support your channels, if you don't see a comment from me, it was there. Or if you go to reply, it disappears. I know I've talked to quite a few of you. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I said pork butt too many times. I don't know. But the spam filter, for some reason, has got a hold of me. Even on, if you leave a comment on my videos, I do reply to every comment. If you don't get a reply, I apologize. I did reply. And then some people are getting the reply and then it disappears. So anyway, just want to let you know that. Thanks for following me on this quick little tour of Man Kitchen Recipes. Here's my grilling area behind me. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you. Have a great day. Oh, and this apricot jam makes a great glaze, so you might be seeing it again.